is so important for Indian cooking. The oil. We're going to add the onion first in the hot oil. Stir, making sure not to fry it too much. I'm not trying to fry the onions here. Just making it a little soft. And the sizzle also tells you that the onions are cooking nicely. Now I see the sliced onions are softened enough. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to put the paste first. The ginger paste and the garlic paste. The turmeric. The cumin. The coriander. The red chili pepper. Now it's up to you. You can use more or less up to your taste. Stir it together. Now I'm going to add the fish and the green onion, salt. I'm going to lower the heat even more now and cover it. Let it cook for a few minutes, like about 10 minutes or so, and then the fish will be cooked. And at the end, I'm going to add the cilantro. Yeah, I'm going to open the lid right now after 5 minutes and check for its doneness. And I can really smell all the spices. Now let's check. Wow, it can really smell everything. Now comes the finishing touch. I always like to put herbs like this, which is cilantro in this case, towards the end of the finishing. Now the perks of being a chef, tasting time. Look at that. I can taste the crunchiness of the onion, the freshness of the cilantro, and all the cooked spices, which came together so nicely in a nice harmony. It's so simple and rich. What can be better?